今日は、38日目、ちょっと残念ながらの雨が降ってますけども気にせず歩きます。お腹が空いたんでご飯を早く食べましょう。そんで歩きます。Okay?
Duke, are you sad about the rain?
No, I like the rain.
He loves it.
Go, go, go.
Let's go. So it's about 2 p.m. Normally we eat around 10 or 11 in the morning, but the guest house we stayed at had a buffet, and there was a big rat that was running around Duke's feet, and the food looked disgusting, so we skipped it and ended up getting Kentucky Fried Chicken. Nori-san, Kentucky wa do datta?
私はとても美味しかったです。はい、また行きましょうみんな。
He loves it, and me and Duke want to vomit right now. My stomach is killing me. I decided that will be my last KFC meal ever of my life. I learned my lesson, even on an empty stomach.